Good morning, children. Today in this class we are discuss about geography. In a previous classes we also know about history. Now we want to know about geography. Geography is one of the important or the main branch of social science. Generally, we are familiar with geography. Geography means study of earth. Study of earth. The word geography is derived by two Greek terms, geo and graphia. Geo and graphia. Geo means earth. Graphia means study. That means the study of earth we consider as geography. Today it emerged as one of the independent subjects. So here the word geography is derived by two terms, geo and graphia. Geo means earth, graphia means study. That means the study of the earth we call as geography. You know that now we want to know how the concept of geography that emerged. How the concept of geography that emerged. During the early days of civilization, when the civilization that flourished, we have to know the awareness among the human beings. In an early stage, even or the early days of civilization, Egyptian, Mesopotamian, Greek, they know that they are familiar with the concept of geography. Even from early days, we are familiar with the concept of geography. According to them, in early stage, geography means it is nothing but an invention or a discovery of a new landmass. It is a discovery of a new landmass. It is a discovery of new geographical area. In early days, the people of this world, they are highly believe that geography means it is nothing but the discovery of a new landmass. That is a discovery of new geographical area. But nowadays, in a modern days, the concept of geography, it become very vast. The modern concept of geography we are defined as it is a science of analysis. Science of analysis. It is called as science of distribution. Science of distribution. Science of places. Science of places. In this way, we are defining geography. The modern concept of geography means it is considered as one of the science. It is science of analysis. Analyze. In geography, we have analyze the various objects, various things. That's why it is science of analysis. Science of distribution. In geography, we know the distribution of people, minerals, Then we also know the places. That's why it is called as science of places. In this way, we are defining geography. That means the modern concept of geography, it is a science of analysis, science of distribution, science of places. In this way, we are defining geography. So here, the subject matter of geography, become very vast. So today we have classified the geography into two forms. One is physical geography and human geography. The subject matter of geography we are classified under physical geography and human geography. Because today it become a very vast subject. Now we want to know what are the subjects we are studying under physical geography. Generally, geography studies about the earth, the science of earth ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Under physical geography, we are discuss about the components or the elements of the earth. They are lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, these are the topic we are majorly discussed under physical geography. Lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere. Under human geography, we study about the population, the distribution of population, the human activities. These are we are studying under human geography. So here, the subject matter of geography we are classified as physical geography and human geography. Under physical geography, we are discuss about the lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere. Under human geography, we studies about the population. Generally, geography studies about the earth. What is earth? Earth is one of the unique planet. In the beginning class, we are discussed about how we know about the formation of earth. We are discussed about Big Bang theory. Due to great explosion of a sun, the solar system created. Among them, Earth is one of the unique planet. It is quite different from other planet. It is called as living planet. Earth is called as living planet. You are familiar with solar system. You are familiar with the other planets. So Earth is one of the unique planet. It is called as living planet, unique planet. It is called as water planet, blue planet. Earth is called as living planet because Earth is an only planet where the life process that exists. Living planet under unique planet. It is quite different from other planet. Water planet. It is the only planet that consisting of hydrosphere. Blue planet. We know that the Earth is the fifth largest planet. It is the fifth largest planet in a sun family or a solar system. Earth is the fifth largest planet in the solar system or sun family. The total geographical area, the area of our Earth, the total geographical area of our Earth is 510 million square kilometers. The total area or geographical area of our Earth is 510 million square kilometers, and it is 4.6 billion years old. 4.6 billion years old. Earth is the fifth largest planet in our sun family or in a solar system. The total area of our Earth is nearly 510 billion square kilometers. The Earth has 4.6 billion years old. 4.6 billion years old. It is spherical in shape. We are familiar with the shape of the Earth. In order to better understanding of geography, we are familiar with some terms or the basic concepts ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. It is just like the science in ಹಾಗೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು concepts that are very important in order to understand the geography. Generally, we know about latitudes. Latitudes. We will discuss some concepts in order to better understanding of geography. At least you are familiar with some basic knowledge, that is, you know about the latitude. In order to know the location of any geographical area, we are familiar with latitudes and longitudes. I think in early classes we have discussed more about these latitudes and longitudes. What are latitudes? The latitudes are the imaginary lines which joins all places which have same angular distance north or south of equator. They are the imaginary lines we are drawn on the maps and the globes. The imaginary lines which are joins all the places which have the same angular distance towards the north or south of the equator. Such imaginary lines we call as latitudes. Among them, the important latitudes, they are 180 in number, 181 in number, the total latitudes. 0 degree, including 0 degree equator. The total number of latitudes are 181, including equator or great circle. ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ 0 degree equator or great circle. The important latitudes are 0 degree equator. It has divided the earth into two equal parts. 0 degree equator. You know the direction, it is the east, west, north, south. For every degree, we have to draw the imaginary lines. They have joints. All the places which have the same angular distance of north or south of the equator. The important latitudes are 0 degree, it is 0 degree equator. It has to divide the earth into two equal parts. It is called as northern hemisphere, it is called as southern hemisphere. Then 23 and half degree northern latitude, it is called as Tropic of Cancer. 23 and half degree northern latitude called as Tropic of Cancer. Then 23 and half southern latitude, it is called as Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn. Then 66 and half northern latitude, 66 and half northern latitude, it is called as Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle. In the same way, 66 and half degree southern latitude, it is called as Antarctic Circle. Antarctic Circle. 90 degree northern pole, it is southern pole. These are some of the important latitudes. 0 degree equator, 23 and half degree northern latitude, Tropic of Cancer, 23 and half degree southern latitude, Tropic of Capricorn, 66 and half degree northern latitude, Arctic Circle, and 66 and half degree southern latitude, Antarctic Circle, 90 degree northern point is called as North Pole, it is South Pole. Longitudes. Longitude, they are also imaginary lines that intersect the equator at right angle joining north to south pole. They are joining north to south pole. They are also imaginary lines that intersect equator at right angle joining north and south poles. Among them, 0 degree longitude is called as prime meridian. 0 degree is prime meridian. Prime meridian. It has divides the earth into two hemispheres. It is called as eastern hemisphere, it is western hemisphere. So, longitudes are 180, 181 latitudes. So, the imaginary lines that intersect equator at right angle joining north and south pole we call as longitudes. So 0 degree longitude is called as prime meridian. Now coming to lithosphere, the elements or the components of Earth, that is lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere. Lithosphere means it is an uppermost solid layer of the Earth. It is an uppermost solid layer. Lithosphere means it is an uppermost solid layer. It is an uppermost solid layer of the earth. Solid layer of the earth. We call as lithosphere. It is an uppermost or outermost. It is an outermost. Or it is better to outermost. Outermost solid layer of the earth is called as lithosphere. So litho means rock. Litho means rock. What is this lithosphere? It consists of the rocks, the minerals, the soil and others. It is a lithosphere. It is a mixture of rocks. Various rocks, soil, minerals, etc. It consists of rocks, soil, and minerals. You know that based on the structure of this lithosphere, we are divided into crust, mantle, core. Crust ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Crust, mantle, core. Crust, mantle, core. Crust, it has extended the depth of up to 60 kilometers. Up to 60 kilometers of depth. The upper part of our earth we call as earth crust. So it has extended up to 60 kilometers of depth. ಇದನ್ನ earth crust ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಭೂಮಿಯ ಮೇಲ್ಪದರ ಏನಿದೆ up to 60 kilometers depth ವರೆಗೆ upper part of this earth we call as the crust. Mantle 60 to 2900 kilometers depth. Mantle 60 to 2900 kilometers of depth. Core, it extends up to 6371 kilometers, from 2900 to 6371 kilometers of depth. So based on the structure of the lithosphere, we are divided into crust, mantle, core. Crust means the upper part. It has extended up to 60 kilometers of depth. Mantle, it has extended from 60 to 2900 kilometers. And core, it extends from 2900 to 6371 kilometers of depth. We know that on this lithosphere, we are observe various landforms. So majorly we have to see the various type of rocks, different types of soil, the various minerals that are found. Instead of that, we also see some water area, so we call as a river. Generally we are using the term river, sea, ocean. How we define a river? What is river? We are able to mention the name of the river. Example ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ. But how we define a river? River ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? A mass of fresh water. A mass of fresh water. It is a mass of fresh water. Mass of fresh water. It flow from its source to mouth. We call as a river. A river means a mass of fresh water. It flow from its source to the mouth. River water means fresh water. The main source of the river, rainfall. Rainfall or the snowfall are the main source of the river. Generally, the rivers that are born in hilly areas or mountains. The birthplace of the river we called as the source of the river. Birthplace of the river we called as the source. Mouth means it is a place where the river that joins sea or ocean. ಯಾವುದೇ ರಿವರ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಮೇಲಿ ಸಿ ಅಥವಾ ಓಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ರಿವರ್ ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಓಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಮೌತ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ರಿವರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಬರ್ತ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ರಿವರ್. Mouth means it is a place where the river that joins the sea or ocean. In a course ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Course of the river. ಏನು course ಅಂದ್ರೆ path ಅಂತ. The way the river that flow. The way the river that flow we call as the path ಅಥವಾ course ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ tributaries ಅಂತೀವಿ. Tributaries. The rivers have many tributaries. Tributary means a small river. A small stream that joins the main river we call as tributaries. River Kaveri has many tributaries. River Ganga has many tributaries. River Sindhu has many tributaries. Sub-river, tributaries means a sub-river or a small stream that joins the main river we call the tributaries. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ glaciers ಅಂತೀವಿ. Glaciers ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is also the birthplace of the river. Generally in Himalayan range we have to see the mass of ice. It has a slow movements. ಅದನ್ನ ice lands ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಹಿಮದ ರಾಶಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So during the summer season what happens? These snow it become melted, so they become the source of the river. The river Ganga born at Gangotri glacier of Himalaya. ಅಂದ್ರೆ glacier ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is a mass of snow. In a mountain. So on this lithosphere we have to see the rivers, mountains. What is mountain? Hill antivi. Hill, mountain, valley, not, mountain ranges. These are the terms we are using in geography. Generally, hill means highly elevated land. It consisting of the rock and soil contents. It is highly elevated land. It has a height of 610 meters. ಅದನ್ನ ಹಿಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Generally, an highly elevated land. It has a height of nearly 610 meters. It is called as hill. An highly elevated land above the height of 610 meters we call as mountain. There is some difference between mountain and hills. Generally, the hill has more rock content, and mountain it has both the rock and soil content. In a mountains, we have to see the density and the existence of natural vegetation. But here we also see the vegetation. But here we have to see less natural vegetation in hills. ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಜನರಲಾಗಿ ರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಮೌಂಟೈನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ವತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ರಾಕಿನ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಮೌಂಟೈನ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ನು ವ್ಯಾಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ a slope area between the two mountains. Valley means a sloping area between the two mountains we call as valley. Kashmir Valley, Kulu Valley. Valley means ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಬೆಟ್ಟಗಳ ಅಥವಾ ಪರ್ವತಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ಇಳಿಜಾರಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಏರಿಯಾ ಏನಿದೆ ಇದನ್ನ ವ್ಯಾಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ನು ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೌಂಟೈನ್ಸ್. A group of mountains we call as range. Himalayan range, Western Ghats. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದೇ ಮೌಂಟೈನ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. A number of mountains that exist in that area, so we call as range. Range means a group of mountains. Not andre it is a place where the two or more mountain ranges meet together. We call as mountain knot. It is a place where the two or more mountains meet together. ಎರಡು ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಪರ್ವತಗಳು ಒಂದು ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಮೌಂಟೈನ್ ನಾಟ್, ಪಾಮಿರ್ ನಾಟ್. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಪಾಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಪಾಸಸ್, ಮೌಂಟೈನ್ ಪಾಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Generally, above the height of 2000 meters, we have to see a narrow area in a mountains. It is used for transportation. We call as the mountain passes. Generally, mountainಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೂ ಕೆಲವು ಮೌಂಟೈನ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಷ್ಟು ಮೌಂಟೈನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಮೌಂಟೈನ್ ಪಾಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. These are called lithosphere. ಇನ್ನು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಯೂ, ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಇನ್ನು ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಈಗ ರಾಕ್ಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮೌಂಟೈನ್, ಹಿಲ್ಸ್, ವ್ಯಾಲೀಸ್, ನಾಟ್, ಪಾಸಸ್. In a soil ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ India or a geographical area on this earth, it has a different landforms. The plateaus, plain, coastal areas or coastal plains, islands. These are some of the landforms. ಈಗ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಯೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is a high level land we call as plateau. ಎತ್ತರವಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಸಮತಟ್ಟಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಏರಿಯಾವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಯೂ, ಡೆಕ್ಕನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಯೂ, ಪೆನಿನ್ಸುಲರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಯೂ, Plateau means a high level land. It is called as plateau, prasthabhumi. Plain land. ಈಗ river plains ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Generally, it is a low level area. ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಹರಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಸಮತಟ್ಟಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ತಗ್ಗಾದ ಸಮತಟ್ಟಾದಂತಹ ಏರಿಯಾವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೇವೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಲೋ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಎ ಹೈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಯೂ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೈನ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಲೋ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಇನ್ ಅ ಕೋಸ್ಟಲ್ ಪ್ಲೈನ್, the geographical area that is surrounded by water bodies, so we call as a coastal region anta heltivi. Coastal area, we are familiar with the islands. So in this way various concepts we are discussed under lithosphere. Again now geography ana study madbekadre we are using all these terms. Valleys anta heltivi, knot anta heltivi, passes, plain, plateau ella heltivi. But we are familiar these concept. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಸನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ these are the basic knowledge about lithosphere. Some terms, technical terms ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. Next coming to atmosphere. Atmosphere. Generally, we are familiar with atmosphere, a thin layer of gases, the dust particles, and water vapor that surrounding the earth we call as atmosphere. The earth is the only planet, it has an atmosphere. Atmosphere means a thin blanket of air or thin layer of gases, dust particles and water vapor that surrounding on the